Let's stir up this tasty cauliflower crust pizza that is carb-free and full of flavor. What you need for this is 1 whole cauliflower, 2 cups marinara sauce, 1 cup diced mushrooms, 1 diced green pepper, 2 cups shredded marble cheese, 1 cup shredded parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup basil leaves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. So let's get started. First, you're going to take a food processor and add your cauliflower in there. Just chop it up a little bit. And in the food processor, you want to shred this to get it to almost a flour consistency. So this is going to run for about 2 minutes or so. And once it looks like this, you're going to add it to a pan. Don't add any oil, just add it to a pan while it's dry. And just continue to stir this until all the cauliflower liquid is evaporated and it dries up. Then you're going to add it to a mixing bowl, let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Next, you're going to add your Parmesan cheese in here, as well as your spices. So today we're going to use garlic powder and parsley flakes. You can certainly add Italian seasoning or anything else that you like. I want to keep it a bit simple. Then you're going to just mix it really well. This is going to serve as a crust for your pizza. So you want to make sure that it's flavorful and all the flavors are captured in each and every bite. What we're going to do is take our pizza pan and just line it with some aluminum foil and then grease it with some butter. Then you're going to add the cauliflower mixture on top. You do not need to knead this separately. We'll do it right on the pizza tray because it's so fragile. We're going to put all of our mixture on the tray and then we're going to use our hands. And then we're just going to spread it and keep it in a circular form just so it shapes like a pizza dough. And then you're going to continue to just press down gently and maintain the circle. Now you can have your crust as thick or as thin you want. I personally like the pizza crust to be a bit thinner. It's just nice and a bit crispy at the edges, and that's just the perfect way that I like it. So just use your hands, the sides of it, to form a perfect circle for your crust. And what you're going to do at the background is heat up your oven at 400 degrees. Then once it looks like this, you're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then you can take it out, add your marinara sauce, some chili flakes, and we're going to add our toppings. Today, I'm going to just keep this vegetarian, and I'm going to be adding some cheese at the bottom just to have a bit of a base. And then I'm going to add today just some green peppers and a bit of mushrooms. You can certainly add whichever toppings you prefer. This is just the ones that I think complement really well. And you don't want to put too many toppings on this pizza because it is a bit fragile. So this is just perfectly enough. And I'm going to just throw on some basil leaves for some freshness. Again, toppings are your choice. And then we're going to just finish it off with some more marble cheese on top. Now, as we know, there's already cheese at the bottom of the pizza as well. So this should be perfect. And what you're going to do is bake it again in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. So just throw it in there and this is how it comes out. Smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. Here are the ingredients for you to screenshot once again and let me know what you think of this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give this healthy pizza a try. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.